Chandresh, there is a framework from CMI for people management.
Yes, there is PCMI, yeah. You can unlock that also.
I think just taking this suggestion is that if, as you said, it covers the entire gamut of whatever you presented there. But in the background, just to make this slide complete, you can have a very shaded wordings of that is a
CMI
framework applicable in all these aspects.
We can have people CMI and education management.
That there is a very parallel, you can say there is a very parallel framework between Scrum or you can say any other agile practices which is having values over team actually. That is the main success. So if we are adopting PCMI or something like that, or either Scrum or either any agile methodology, so probably that goes directly on the top for me in person. At the high side, Scrum. People.
Yeah, people. I am not denying the importance of people. I am saying yes, people are required to work, and that is given. And there has to be method and practice. I think there should be method and practice to handle communication and people. Yes, communication and people is key. Yeah. So that is what I would like to give you questions, and then I will close this.
Everything is from a framework perspective is quite good. Main challenge is implementation. How do you implement? Because honestly, just to manage one, just to implement one framework itself is so challenging.
I would say that first you decide, because we came to the total number of processes to implement all of these. First of all, we got a list of 120 processes. First. And then we said, how can organization manage 120 processes and define them, implement them, and automate them? And then we saw that there is a lot of overlap between all of these.
No, I'm not talking from the process perspective. What I'm talking about is who is going to implement it.
What is the ownership of implementing this?
Where will you get one consultant who knows all this or is an expert in all this?
I don't think this is a job of one consultant. For example, for creating a building, there is an expert on piping, there is an expert on electrical, there is an expert on bricks, there is an expert on a structural portion of it, there is an expert on a geotechnical part of it. So, architect job is to ensure that he does this architecture portion and then gets the experts on various aspects together to finish a building. Building design itself is a complex project and involves at least 20 to 30 different parties with a 20 to 30 different depth and skill levels to come together and create a building. So nothing in the world is simple. And I would say that yes, we need to have experts in all this area, and people can choose which area of expertise they want to build and become the architects in that area.
I think it's very good precisely the same thing you just stated. That gives kind of menu of everything that is available in the process world, which we need to work with. Like very often when I'm talking to my customers, the biggest challenge that I face is they don't see the big picture of how anything will relate to something that they're already doing. If I'm able to show them something like this, I might be able to sell them at least on part of it, not the whole.
Yeah, so as a consultant, as you rightly said, that I would sell what is in my kitty. So I would say this is the whole point that you need to have. I am good at this, I am good at this, I am good at this. So would you like to buy this from me? So remaining things, if you want, I will act as a broker for you and get people on board. Or maybe you can have someone getting in on this area. That's maybe have a partnership.
For that matter, no organization, not only University or anyone, I'm not aware of it, that who can manage and sell all of these which are defined in it. All the frameworks cannot be built. For some, you have to work as a broker, and for some, you can be a direct provider.
Yeah. How does this get implemented is not I am looking at. I'm not worried about that. But I thought that I would give some idea which I have in mind and share with you. So if you think it helps, great. If not, you can help enhance it further.
Yes, it will definitely help because it gives a clear-cut mapping. Because our mind was overflowed with the different frameworks and standards which we discussed in the last 2 days, especially.
Yeah,
so
that was overkill.
At least now I can see that which part actually fits into which particular part of how two of them are good.
So that is what the whole intention was. So that there is a clarity. Yeah, that's okay.
I mean,
make a statement that if you use this, you will succeed.
Okay. I would not say that any success and failure, I would really not go to that level because I am not expert. And to be very frank, I have not implemented this. Okay. So I would really not comment unless I have implemented this at least at 10 different organizations and seen the result. Okay. So today I will not comment. But am I confident that it would? I am confident. Okay. It's about my confidence. Now it depends on the organization to choose whether they have confidence in me. We can choose this. So
Chandresh,
I will not.
Chandresh, I have something to share. I think this is good. We have something similar in our organization, and what we call it is the ICT value chain. And the way it is organized is one thing to take to what Anand was saying, that technology obsolescence and new technology inputs are put together somewhere parallel to the strategy. So that's one difference between. Second is what we do not have is the configuration management there at the level of PMO or CPG. Then project management, design, development, everything is there. The only thing is transition your change management you have upgraded it somewhere above. But change management, I don't know why.
I am saying change management will be required throughout design, development, commission, operation. So change management is horizontal to the organization, right. Not the vertical to any particular phase or a particular function or a particular department.
Correct.
So it's organizational change management where IT change management will fit in.
So if I compare to my ICT value chain which we are using, the only gap I see is the SKMS and configuration management. Rest we have all and it's working.
So I think we have evidence. Good. I would quote that as example next time.
Yes, and the other thing, I think
Just actually we have a service delivery framework which is offshore delivery framework, which works very well at it. Just remove the names of the services, but we have adapted the rest.
That's it.
There was one thing which is coming to my mind. Just I'll take one moment. From the discussion we were having CMMI services versus IPI. So what I realized during the discussion is that CMMI services is more concise and it's simplified. So if I try to put something here, the number of processes are very large. So what we can do is take a similar approach what CMMI services is typically, yes, to limit them at a goal level so that the number of processes are cut down and maybe you reach to 30 or 40 specific.
That is what I am
that can be done.
Okay, so this is what I thought.
Yeah, just two feedbacks we just want to take. One was same similar on configuration management. This is an area where Niranjan has spoken yesterday. ITI configuration management is there, and in development we have this called as software configuration management. So this is what really actually like.
I would like to address that. I would like to call it organizational configuration management, and let me make it very clear that the configuration management as a concept is not an IT concept.
Yeah.
It's a business concept. And configuration management is borrowed from Boeing and other big organizations who wanted to build the aircraft and were worried about where the part will go and how it will go. So I would say that it's an organizational level configuration management, and then you would have a specific configuration management for IT. And so development configuration management would integrate with the organizational configuration management. So these are the organization-wide processes, not a specific technology or a function.
And in another point was in the CSI processes, you have mentioned using Six Sigma, but apart from saying, I was suggesting
Lean or Six Sigma.
You may want to say Lean, Six Sigma, and even the SIP of ITI.
Yeah, so Lean, Six Sigma, whatever. Basically, you have to have improvement methodology.
No, Six Sigma is not required every time for everything. Small things you can go with Lean.
Lean, Six Sigma. I would say Lean and Six Sigma, or either. Lean can be applied anywhere. So out of 120, I can remove everything and make it 12. And after making 12, hope that it will fly. So, yeah, that is correct. So, this is what I got. Thank you very much for listening.